In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund someone on Shopify. By the end, you'll feel confident issuing a refund quickly, accurately, and with clear communication to your customer. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Using a desktop browser makes the process easier to see and follow. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and select Orders. This is your command center for every purchase, and it's where you'll start any refund. If you manage a lot of orders, having the order number handy can save time, but you can also scan the list to find the right one. Open the order you want to refund. Take a moment to review the details on this page so you're confident you've selected the correct order. Check the customer name, items purchased, and the payment status. When you're ready, look to the top right and click Refund. This opens the refund panel where you control exactly what's being returned to the customer. Enter the quantity to refund for each product. If the customer is returning everything, set the quantity to match the full amount for each item. If it's a partial return, adjust only the items or quantities that apply. You'll notice the totals update automatically as you change quantities, reflecting product prices and any taxes or discounts tied to those items. This helps you confirm the refund value before you proceed. Under Reason for Refund, choose the option that best describes the situation. Keeping this consistent is useful for your records and reporting later, especially if you want to spot trends like sizing issues or shipping damage. It's a small step that pays off in better insights. Next, check Send a notification to the customer. This ensures they receive an email letting them know a refund was issued, which reduces confusion and builds trust. Clear communication goes a long way toward a positive experience, even when a return is involved. When everything looks right, click Refund to confirm. Shopify will process the refund through the original payment method. The funds typically appear for the customer within a few business days, though timing can vary by bank or payment provider. After you confirm, the order timeline updates so you have a record of exactly what was refunded and when. That's it. Log in, open orders, select the order, click refund, set the quantities, choose a reason, notify the customer, and confirm. Double checking the details before you click refund helps prevent mistakes, and sending the notification keeps your customer in the loop.